it's Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm here with another hairstyle video. So I've done this really simple little pull through braid just down the middle, and then I've tied it up in a half up hairstyle. I feel like this is such a cute summer hairstyle, but you could basically wear this for like anything. I feel like this would go with any outfit. So yeah, if you would like to see this hair tutorial, then just keep watching. This video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.